Welcome to CAMWorks Tips and Tricks. My name is Paul Ludwig, and in this video, we're going to go over the Command Manager Cleanup utility. Have you ever found yourself in this situation? If you take a look at my Command Manager, all of the icons seem to either be missing or the wrong ones. We're going to leverage the Command Manager Cleanup utility to fix this situation. Let's get started by closing everything down. Now that I have everything closed down, I'm going to go to my Start menu. In this case, in Windows 11, go to All, and then I'm going to find my CAMWorks install. Underneath of the folder, there will be the Command Manager Cleanup utility. I can hit the drop down for different years, and then I'm going to say OK, and this is going to clear out all of the issues that may be there that are causing my Command Manager to not look correct. Now that I've cleared everything out, I'm going to go ahead and restart SolidWorks. Back inside SolidWorks, we could see that my Command Manager is all cleaned up and my trusted icons look like they should. Thanks for watching our video. For more information, scan the QR code or click the link in the description.